for a layout update. Let's see where we are now here in April. Look at all of this wonderful work we've been doing. That is Mount Dick, by the way. Some inside humor. But yeah, look at all this. All of this work. Between Ron and I, we've been getting a lot done. See all the trees and the grass and flowers and so on and so forth. I just can't get over all the wonderful details. It's actually kind of hard to show you all. There's so much to show. And try to show it on this little camera. I mean, look, you got even a little tree here. In between the bridges. And then below the bridges, you can't see it as much now, but I did all that painting on the rock down there. It's just gonna blur. But yeah, there's a lot of detail going on here. Look at all those trees and shrubs. It really adds to the scene, really. I really like all this really colorful bush shrubbery kind of stuff that we got. That looks so cool. Oh, look at that even, you know? Oh, you get a better view maybe of the rock below. Oh, now it's going to focus on the bridge. Focus on that. There we go. See the rock down there? Yep, I did all that. Anyway. Look at those trees. Oh, and then of course there's my famous rock. That's my favorite rock. I couldn't have made that if I planned it, if that makes any sense. Ron was gonna put something on top. I'm like, no, please leave it alone. You can do all the other rocks, but leave that one be. All of that detail. Look at all that, huh? All that detail makes it all seem so real. More real, anyway. As you can see, Ron has started doing some ballast here. Really pretty. Makes it more real, for sure. Look at that. More pretty shrubbery. Like I say, I'm just trying to capture it all. I know it's not doing justice compared to just seeing it here in person. But I'm trying. Anyway. Oh, come on. Back in focus. There we go. But yeah, adding that ballast there really does help. He's not done, obviously. This side's more done. It's on both sides. It was just a start, just to see what it's going to look like. Now this little place here is going to be a restaurant. And Ron has been very busy painting all this so it looks like sidewalk, matching it up because this had a certain color and then this was white. Anyways, he's been busy doing that, and And we got the cars here that if you notice, let's go over here, there seems to be a shadow. The lighting's not always the greatest, but you see the yellow lines there? There's 6 parking spots, and I suppose if I move the cars you can see it a little better for a moment. And then I'll put them back after. See that? Yep, pretty cool, I think. Anyways, and then you put these little cars back in here, however. Ron's favorite taxi. There you go. I thought that turned out pretty cool. And yeah, we have more sidewalk here. And then here's the train station. It got a little beat up in the move, but we have been fixing her up. So little people under there. That's so cool. Anyway, and then we're gonna put a fence probably in this area. Also, Ron was very creative. He took 2 sets of steps, put them together to make a nice wide steps for the train station. And then he's been working on making this road, like parking lot / road. As you see, it comes over here and goes across. But it took some time because he had to level it out and then paint it. And then of course, I haven't changed the hair color yet, but this guy's supposed to be Nora, taking pictures of the trains going by. And then this is one of my favorite spots. Look at that. Wonderful. Wonderful scenery. Alright, well there's your update, everyone. Hope you enjoyed. My adventures here are coming to a close. I'm leaving here in a couple days. But you might see some more before I leave, and maybe Ron will keep me posted and I can share stuff still from afar. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Take care. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, maybe leave a comment, share it out if you enjoyed, and we'll catch you all next time.
Time